Yeah, here we are, out in the snow with two dogs heading down towards the beach, or as far as the little dog will go without pooping out, which is liable to happen at any time. Little dog's Barney, the big dog is Bandit. And we got a bit of a snowstorm happening today. Yeah, with all the deep snow, the little dog sure doesn't have much room between his chest and the snow. I guess there's about this much coming again soon. We'll see how it goes. Here he comes, just tromping along. Yeah, so most of the way Barney's been behind me because the snow's been pretty deep, but it's a bit sheltered here, so you can go up ahead with the big dog in a little bit less snow. Pretty hard to keep a steady camera when you're tromping around in snowshoes. There he is. There, he's doing his best to keep up with the big guy. Then he looks back and makes sure that he hasn't lost me. Maybe he wants a lift. And there he goes. Yeah, here we are coming up on the beach now. Made it all the way down without getting lifted up. That's pretty good for a little puppy. I imagine he'll want a lift going back up. Away he goes. Take two. The other day there was a big old snowy owl down here. I don't see him today yet. There's lots of ducks out in the water. And it's a bit windy down here at the beach, out of the shelter of the trees. And Barney likes to hide underneath the bench there. Not a bad idea, especially if that big old owl's around. Lots and lots of birds out there, mostly black ducks, I imagine. Didn't bring my big lens down today, just a little one for taking videos. The snow has come, and it's supposed to keep on snowing all night. You can't see across the other side. See about 3 kilometers, so that's not bad for a video. Well, the wind's supposed to pick up tonight. Little dog is getting to the whining part. Anyway, I guess we'll head back up the hill. Yeah, so when the doggy gets a little bit cold and tired, he gets to ride on. I'm supposed to be able to look up. I don't know how that works with these cameras, but there he is. Oh, I don't like it. It's cold. Yeah, I know. Well, we'll carry on up the hill. Yeah, there he is. back under his own power. Doesn't take long to get warmed up a little bit. And head back up by himself. Make some noise. Wait for me. Okay, little dog, move along. Yeah, head back up the hill. Away they go. Make sure not to get too far away from me is what they do. Yeah, big dog gets out there breaking trail. And little dog is right there in the trail, in the track. Oh, I'm gonna try break some trail behind the big dog. That's pretty tough going for a little guy. Pretty tough going for me. A lot easier behind me, little puppy. A lot easier in behind. Here. Wants to break out there. That ought to poop him out good. Certainly poop me out good. Yeah, well, there's some hope up in the sky. You can barely see the sun coming through the clouds. So maybe things will get better. Or maybe it's just a lull. It's supposed to be going all night, so I'll go out and pick up the newspaper. And then, looks like the snowplow's been here. I think I'll have to make another trip later. Yeah, so pretty good wind blowing now. It was calm earlier today. The wind's kicked up and it's supposed to be coming in from the northeast and then moving around to the northwest overnight, so might be getting some pretty good drifts overnight. See what happens. Anyway, here we are at the home. We'll head back in, and the doggies are anxious to get in, I think, and see how things are.